Hello everyone, welcome to our workshop. Today I'm going to show you the ceramic components, classifier view.
This is a small sample. Ceramic grading wheels are essential components for rare classifier and classifier mill. They operate by using high-speed wind or electrical energy to drive grading wheel into high-speed rotation. The centrifugal force generated by the grading turbine enables the separation of coarse and fine materials. Grading wheels are typically made from metal or ceramics, such as zirconium or alumina. For production of materials sensitive to magnetic contamination, the only non-metallic classifier wheel can be used. Which classification wheel can reach speed up to 6,000 RPM in equipment, demonstrating exceptional reliability and performance. We're a direct manufacturer of technical ceramics, not a trading intermediary. If you need ceramic grading wheels, feel free to contact us. We'll offer you an irresistible price.